Do you want to learn how to redeem codes on Pet Simulator 99 on Roblox? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, head over to this game mode on Roblox. This is Pet Simulator 99. It's a famous game mode and it's going to show up on the home page. Now once you're inside it, on the bottom you're going to find Pets. Click on it. Now inside here, click on the second option, which is Exclusive Shop. Click on it. And now inside this, you need to scroll down. So click on this. On the right, you're going to find this scroll bar. Click on this and scroll it down till the end. And now you're going to see redeem codes. So here, the codes can only be redeemed once. This option, click on it and click on this green button, and it's going to give us this pop-up. It says redeem merch. Now you can enter your merch code. Okay, now you may be wondering, I know how to redeem a code, but where would I find these codes? So currently, at the time of making this video, there are a lot of codes available, but I found out that none of these codes are working. But if at a later stage you want to check out if there is any available codes that are working, you can go to deepseek.com, or you can also go to ChatGPT. But DeepSeek is a new AI tool which is currently available for free, and you can turn on the search feature, start a new chat, and ask it to find me available codes, redeem codes for Pet Simulator 99. And now it's going to give you these citations and all these places where it took this information from. And it also says this: as of January 29th, there are no active redeemable codes for Pet Simulator 99 that are available to general public. And it also says this, that expired codes, some previous shared codes such as these, are now no longer valid. It also gives you how to redeem the code, so it also solves that purpose. So yes, that's it. This is how to redeem codes on Pet Simulator 99 on Roblox. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.